If you've ever wanted to check the gifts you've sent or received in Epic Games, this video will walk you through it step by step in a quick and simple way. Whether you're trying to confirm a gift you sent to a friend, look back at your gift history, or just keep track of your account activity, Epic Games makes it possible through your account transactions. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Epic Games in your browser. You can use any modern browser you like, as long as you're signed in to the correct Epic Games account. Once the site loads, look for your profile menu. This is usually found in the top corner of the page, and it gives you access to your account settings and personal options. Click on the profile menu to open it. From there, select Account. This will take you to your Epic Games account page, where you can manage different parts of your profile, security settings, and purchase information. On the account page, look for the Transaction section. This is the area where Epic keeps track of account activity related to purchases, gifts, and other important history. Click Transactions to continue. Once you're in the Transactions area, you should see different tabs or categories depending on your account activity. Look specifically for the Gifts option and click on it. This is where you can view the sent and the received gifts connected to your Epic Games account. If you've purchased or received gifts before, they should appear here in the list, making it easy to review what was sent, what was received, and when it happened. If you don't see anything right away, double check that you're logged into the correct account, because gifts are tied to the specific Epic account that handled the transaction. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can view the sent and the received gifts in Epic Games without needing to dig through random menus or settings. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful gaming tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other Epic Games features you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.